I'm so excited to show you the progress on our flip on Emily. It is coming along so well. We are down the home stretch. It's unbelievable. So I'm gonna do a little tour of the house. Things are coming together. Let me see here so I can show you. So here is the second bathroom. The shower looks incredible. I love the way the tile kind of feeds into the shower. It's all the same color. It just makes it feel really huge in this bathroom, which is amazing. This kitchen is killer. Look at these beautiful, beautiful countertops. They are so neat. This place is unbelievable. I am just loving how these colors have come out. I love how this kitchen looks. It's just, I don't even know all the words I got. Unbelievable, amazing, all the things. So the kitchen just looks so good. There's so much counter space. There's so much good light coming on in here. And these colors just really play off of each other so nicely, but give some contrast away from the gray a little bit. It just looks so good. Hey, I don't know if you remember, we had a really ugly, terrible door back here, and new door is installed. Very exciting. Lighting is starting to go in the living room. But the best part is I see floors. Floors. We will get to that in a second. Let me hop over to the master and show you how good this master looks. Specifically the bathroom. The tile floor is down. The granite countertops are in. The tile surrounds at the bath. Like, it looks so stinking good in here. And then this shower is cray, y'all. Like, it is so luxurious. Tile all the way up. Great nooks. I just love the way these shapes play off of each other with the squares and then what are those, hexagons? It looks so good. So anyways, this bathroom is coming along. They're finishing touches, but seriously, y'all, these floors are crazy. We are putting engineered hardwood floors down, and they look so good. So here is the living room and the dining room. They have been going at this for 2 days now. They are just kicking butt and taking names. So I am so excited to show you the finished product when we are done. We are on the home stretch here, just a few days left, and this beautiful house is gonna be on the market. It's such a good one. It has turned out so well. So thanks so much for tuning in. Hello, I am at our flip on Elmley, and I'm so excited. We are right here at the end. We've got a couple of punch list items to do. The entire place needs to be cleaned. It has got dust and dirt and all the things everywhere, but that is just part of construction, so we will be taking care of all of that. But I just wanted to show you this kitchen here at Elmley. It is so beautiful. So let me turn this around so you can see it. So check out these beautiful countertops. I just love how it plays with the backsplash and the cabinets and all the things. Like, it is just such a pretty kitchen, and it is huge. There's so much workspace. Look at this huge amount of storage and workspace over here. It is a great, amazing kitchen. It's just perfect. It's great for parties. It's great for families. It's great for prepping for the day at school. I just love this kitchen so much. It's so pretty. So it is ready for a family, ready to be listed. We are really excited. And I just want to point out, like, look how pretty it is in this room with all the natural light that's coming in, and this beautiful fireplace over here. Seth did a great job picking out that tile for the fireplace. It's just so pretty. So like I said, we are right here at the end. We've got some punch list items. If you can hear the fire alarm in the back, we got to put the batteries and all the things in the fire alarms. There's a few new ones, so that's what's beeping at us. And we will be cleaned, and then pictures, and then ready to list. So we're really excited. So follow along, check us out. We will show you the listing as soon as it is live, and we are super excited about it. Have a great day.
We are EverSan Cooper, your as-is home buyer.